Hello, this is Rob from Visser Reels. This is the first series of videos that I'm going to produce about the features of our Visser spinning reels. In this segment, I'm going to explain the function of the main body of our reel, why I designed it that way, and how that results in tremendous body and gear strength. The real body actually is machined from a solid piece of aluminum, as I have in my hand here. This is basically finished machined, not anodized. So this kind of gives you an idea what the part looks like before it's actually assembled into the reel. Different from any other reel out there, is one feature that's actually a patent pending feature is that the cover on the gear side is non-existent. There's no cover on this side. The only cover that we have is on this side. We've gone completely opposite of any other spinning reel out there. And the reason for that is that cradles the main drive gear in this body, so there's no give in any place. When you're fighting a powerful fish, gears naturally want to push away from each other. This creates forces on the inside of this body that in this direction, and that happens from when you're actually cranking the handle and twisting. There's a chance, and this happens to some reels and even some high-end reels, when the screws actually that hold this cover on loosen up. And that's why many large manufacturers, main brand manufacturers of high-end reels, they all use Loctite to hold the cover on, so that doesn't happen. Some reels the cover screws on, and that's been also a problem because there's been cases where those covers actually fell off. Of course, that could never happen to this because it is all one piece and there's no give on the inside whatsoever. Our reels have completely eliminated this issue. Our body has no side cover, as I explained, and this patent pending feature directs all the forces, instead of directing it this way, directs it back onto the pinion. And the pinion actually is supported by 3 different bearings internally. I'm going to take this cover off just to take a peek inside, just by loosening these screws. These are 4mm machine screws, and they've got O-rings under the head, so it's a very powerful setup here. As you can see, the gear is cradled internally. There's 1 bearing, 2 bearing, 3 bearing, and a heavy-duty clutch inside that's supported. So any pressure that's being that way or back this way is fully supported. The surface cover, actually, to go a little bit further about the cover on this side, because you're going to say, well, what about this cover on this side? That if somebody is a lefty and he's turning on this side. Well, what we've done with this cover is, this is recessed 3mm into the body, at a very close fit like that. You can see like this, it's very close. And there's an O-ring all the way around. Of course, this reel is fully sealed. So that really allows that cover to really stay securely, and any twisting motion or pressure, there is no pressure actually this way. That would be more like a twisting motion on this side, So yeah, so basically that's all I wanted to explain. I'm going to go into other features later on, why we do all the things that we've done with this reel. I just want to thank you for watching. Like I said, we're going to release a video every week from this video on, and the next one probably going to be most likely about the drag system or the spool. I'm not sure yet, but it will come up in about a week. Any questions you have can be directed to our Facebook page, and you can also email us at info@visserreels.com. I really appreciate you watching. Thank you very much.